have made it to One Drivers Club. A bunch of supercars just pulled up.
Oh, yeah.
Let's check them out.
Starting at 8:30.
Think you need coffee. Oh, Perp Sang is here. He's very serious right now.
Videos again.
This thing sound insane. Yeah, some Porsche over here. Dang, look at this one. This one is pretty dope. I really like, I think that's a new rally. Yeah, delivery, so cool. All right, watch out, don't get run over. Vince is trying to win insurance claim.
The Lamborghini at all costs.
This one's pretty too. Well, last time we were here, they were showing F1 event, right? Yeah. F1 races. Today, they're just throwing a cars and coffee meet. I don't see a coffee cart yet.
I see a coffee cart right there.
Oh, it's in there? Okay. Let's check out the Red Bull one. So this is a Noble? How do you spell that? Oh, Noble. Never seen this thing before. It looks a little bit like a Viper, but I guess it's a Noble. Check out this big facility that stores a lot of supercars and hypercars. Say that again. Welcome to what?
Welcome to my private collection.
All right, which one is yours?
All of these.
All of them. Maybe one day when we win a lottery.
Dollar bills to cry with.
I got $2. This is really cool. Ferrari race car. No Range Rover? No, I don't think so. Check out this one. All right, Vince. You have to pick one. Ferrari or Lambo?
That's tough.
Lambo? Oh shit! Which one?
Let's go shopping.
Show the audience your outfit. Let me see. Oh, cute. OOTD.
GRWM.
Hey, cute. Oh, the Red Bull one is gone already. So there's this one. Last time we were here, there was a Red Bull F1 car. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go say hi to our buddy Chloe, who is a marketing director for a lot of these car events. She's super awesome. So they have a cafe upstairs, and look at the view from the top. This is where you can see all the cars are in storage. And as I mentioned earlier, they do have F1 race. They show F1 race here every other weekend or so. We got more cars in the front. Hey, look at this one. Yeah, I guess all these cars are part of the rally crew. Look at this plate. I love this black and yellow California plate. She rips. One day we gotta be cool enough to get one of these and slap the rally sticker. Hi, how are you? Good.
Long time.
Are you doing the rally today? Awesome. Which one did you bring?
These two.
These two?
My brother and I are swapping.
Sweet. So we are with Jason from New Rally.
We met at
How are you?
Like 5 years.
5 years, 10 years ago. I was a biker.
She was with like 2 other biker chicks at the time. Like I do, but I don't.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so bad with names and things. So.
You have to earn the decal.
Oh, what do I have to do?
But since we go way back,
hell yeah. Okay. Dang, I'm getting a hookup today, guys. So that means I have to join the rally one of these days with the cool people. Dang, you guys got a whole Enterprise truck. Dope. Oh my God.
Slightly bent, but I think
that's okay.
Once you put it on,
we'll make it work.
Yeah, we'll overheat too.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, let's go see the car. We got this cool decal. So excited. All right, guys, so this is Jason, the owner of New Rally. So tell the audience about what's going on with New Rally and how it got started.
How it got started was just a hobby. My brother and I attended 1-2 other rallies. Honestly, they were kind of lame. So
you made it better.
Well, we didn't have the intention. We were just like, hey, we're going to do our own thing.
Yeah.
So we started with maybe just 4 or 5 guys.
Yeah.
They first started in a parking lot at like 6 a.m. We're like, we'll just meet up here.
Yeah.
And we'll all drive to Vegas. Obviously, we posted it on our stories.
Yeah.
And the next time people were like, hey, dude, that looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
next time you go out, invite us as well. So
Yeah,
4 or
yeah.
5, the next time turned into like 9, 10.
Crazy.
Which then turned into like 20, 24.
Yeah.
And so on and so forth. But the larger it got, the more we realized like, hey, we can't just throw something together on the fly.
Gotta be kind of organized.
It takes a lot of, because 5, 10 cars, you have no problem. But when it comes like some of our events, we have 100 cars.
Yeah, right.
You definitely need to be way more organized.
And then police and everything. Woo! He almost got run over.
But you know, the cameraman never died.
Yeah, nope.
So ultimately, it was taking up way too much time just to be a hobby. So
Right.
Okay, listen, either we scale it down, keep it small.
Yeah, or just
maybe we just
full time.
go like try to blow it out.
Right.
That's where we are today.
That's awesome. All right, there you go.
Oh yeah, you have white there too.
Yep. So it's gonna, I think it'll go like this. It'll match on the other side.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. I love the logo. It's like, I've seen it all over Instagram. I was even telling him. Woo! So now I can join a rally, but maybe for 2 hours before it blows up.
So Edmund's coming, Edmund Monty, and he was like, hey, I'm bringing my R34. And we're going like 2,000 miles.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't know. He's like, bro, it's not like any other R34. And then before the rally, he's like, yeah, my car went down. He's like, I'm gonna bring the GT3 out.
Oh my God, that's so funny.
But yeah, I mean, these cars are cool, but you don't really want to be driving through 7 states.
We'll have to bring another car.
Yeah, this is just pull up to the show, have a good time.
Yep.
A couple revs, you know, bring you back home.
You like it? What do you think?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Really well.
It's called Pan Speed.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a race kit, but there's a street version of the race kit.
Pan Speed.
Pan Speed, yeah.
Okay, I've heard of Pandem.
Different
right?
one.
The Pandem
Yeah,
kits,
that's a
but
different
this
one.
is different.
Yep. Yeah, so it's fiberglass and then fully custom carbon fiber wing from Thailand, but they do like a wide body as well. And the hood is from Sabon.
Nice. Is
Engine is all
or
stock.
wrap?
It's paint. It's all paint.
Okay.
So it's a Porsche Amethyst.
Nice.
Similar to Midnight Purple, but it's like, if you look at the flakes, there's no sun, but it's smaller.
See, what's crazy is when I first met her, she was just all into bikes. And now it's like...
See, but nobody knew I love cars. Like, I've loved cars for so long, but I didn't know anybody.
It crosses over, because a lot of car guys love bikes.
Yeah, for sure.
So, same with me. I didn't start with bikes, but back in the day, I used to ride a lot.
Yeah.
Until, we had a couple accidents too. And the family's like...
Nah, you're banned.
Yeah, on my own, I was just like, you know what? Because they have a saying when you ride.
Yeah.
There's 2 types of riders, which those that have gone down
and
those
that
will go down.
about to be.
Yeah, so I hadn't gone down yet, but I was like, it's coming. The way I'm riding, it's coming.
And check this thing out. Oh my God. Look at that tire. All right, baby. So we got Samar ZX6R. We had a photo shoot the other day. We got 2 bikers. Bye. This color is so pretty. I normally don't like green cars, but this one pops. All right, guys, so we had a lot of fun today and met up with some people that I knew from LA. Shout out to Jason, owner of New Rally. So what'd you think about the event?
Pretty cool, small world, that's all I can say.
I know, right? Sometimes life works mysterious kind of way. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!